Your Life, an American television tradition. And now, here he is, Mr. This Is Your Life himself, Ralph Edwards.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Those of you who were watching This Is Your Life last week saw us do something we've never done before. We pulled a double surprise. At the end of the Johnny Grant story, which you saw last week, we surprised one of the participants in his life, famous movie star and glamour girl, Jayne Mansfield. You saw it, just surprise, where I said, next week, Jayne Mansfield, This Is Your Life. But we kept one camera rolling so that you could see tonight the surprise, the reaction of Bob Hope, Johnny Grant, and all the others, the bedlam, the confusion, as the stagehands came in to ready the stage for Jayne Mansfield's life, which we did a few minutes later before the same studio audience. Now, here's what happened right here on this stage.